Does regularly changing your furnace filter really save energy? When air runs through your furnace, it passes through the filter, which catches dust, hair, and other particles in the air. Those particles stay in the filter, and the clean air passes through your fan and heat exchanger before going back into your home. Over time, more and more dust sticks in the filter, making it harder and harder for air to pass through. The more resistance there is, the less effective your system will be. So yes, changing your furnace filter regularly does help your heating and cooling system run efficiently.